Hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to export the logs for the third-party integration. So to generate the logs for the third-party integration, you have to go to the attendance and report. At the end, you will find the option export logs. In the export logs, there are options given to you. Either you can generate the attendance logs employee-wise, device logs, logs in third-party payroll format, export logs in custom format or in a SAP format. So these options are available. I'll just generate and show you for the attendance logs. When you are generating a attendance logs, you give a from date and to date. Select the field which you want to export it. Say I exported the employee code, employee name, attendance date, company, department, category. So there are a number of options available here. Whichever the field you require, you can move on to the right hand panel and you can save the format. And it says whether you want to include the headers or you want without the headers. You can select. Now I'll be saving the format and say generate report. Once I click on generate report, it is going to ask me where to save. I select the desktop and say I'll be making a folder on the desktop. Say logs. I select this particular folder, say OK. So the fields what I have selected there will come with the data here. So as per your requirement, you can select the fields and you can generate the report. Next option is in the attendance export is this attendance logs is again you can filter in departmental wise. It has the filters available, so it is going to give you a normal kind of report. For the integration purpose, you can go for the device logs. In the device logs, again you select, give the from date to date, select the fields. Attendance logs is the calculated data and device logs is the raw data. The difference between attendance logs and device logs. So attendance logs will be the calculated data. It checks your all your details, your leaves, holidays, additional things, whatever is being implemented for you, conditions are set to you, all that things will be checked and it will give you the data. Device logs is purely the data which flows from the biometric machine to your software. I say employee code, employee name, log date, direction, and I say save format. If you want to include the headers, you include the headers. If you don't want to include the headers, remove this and say generate. Again, it is going to ask me the path. I select and say OK. The file is imported here again. Okay. Now there is one more. When you go to the attendance and report, export logs in third-party payroll format. Once you click this, you give the from date to date and give the path here. Select the file format name, in what file format. This is the name of your file. If you're selecting DDMMYY, it will be the date format, and the extension, in which extension you want to save the data, whether it is a DAT format, text format, CSV format, Excel format, you can enter it here. Log format, date, you can select it here. You can give the separator for the data, whether you want to give a space, tab, comma, semicolon after your, I say tab. For the for the in and out symbol, if you want to define any symbol for in and out, you can give the symbol, or you can just mention in and out. You can define the number of digits for the employee code, whether it is how many digits you are going to use for the employee code. There are reserved fields available here, and the export to Excel sheet. These are the fields which has been selected. I say save. So this file is being saved in my desktop. So this is the file which has been created. Now I open this file with the notepad. Say open. So this is the file you have got here. So according to your requirement, you can generate it in the similar way. There is similar report available. I'll just show you that also. In the export logs, there is a export device logs in custom format again. So again, you can select the format here, date, from which date to which date you want to generate, give the path, give the file format, prefix text for your file name, the extension what you want to generate. Say I'll be generating in a text format now. I give the path as same, desktop and logs. I use a comma as a separator. Then again I fill the details here. Whichever fields I would need, I can select it here. So these are the fields available. If you have out of these fields, you can select any field, and I say save this, and next I generate the file. File is generated. You can close this and check the file in the log records. So here is a file which has been generated. So it has been separated with the commas, and you get the details whatever you have selected. So this is all export attendance logs. This option can be used for integrating with your third-party application. You can pull the data, or you can take these files and export the data to your third-party application. In the similar way, there is a SAP reports also available. The same that format you have to select. This has a prefix defined data structure. So you can generate and you can have a check. Thank you, everyone.
Take few seconds to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon button so you will get all notification of our latest updates.